Hi everyone, it's Prashasti here today. I hope you all are doing awesome. So today's video is inspired by basically a short story. I'll just quickly tell you the gist of it. So all my friends are always telling me that तुझे अपनी hairstyle change करनी चाहिए. You are doing the same thing in your videos, and you know what? After a while I thought that they were right. So I gave my hair a trial and I failed miserably at it. All my friends were laughing. And I woke up and they came to my house and I was just sleeping and they were like, I hope तूने अपने बालों में wig लगा रखा. And I was like, नहीं ये मेरे असली बाल हैं. And they were like laughing, and basically so this was the gist of it. मुझे लगा कि I should try these curls on my hair, but I didn't want to damage my hair because my hair quality is not that great. I have pretty thin hair, so I thought that how can I curl my hair but without using heat on my hair, and that too quickly, right? So I thought then to share the idea with you guys as well. So that's how this video was sort of born. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, follow me on Instagram and press the bell button, and let's begin the video. Okay, so for curling your hair, what you will need is basically a teasing comb, just to brush out all your hair. Then some water in this spray bottle. And the last thing which you would need are these hair clips. So you can see these are just regular tic tac pins. You can also use bobby pins, but मेरे पास bobby pins नहीं थे. I had these tic tac pins, so I'm using these ones. So first things first, I'm just gonna use a teasing brush, and you can use any comb. I'm just using this one because this just works for me. And just brushing my hair just to see that there are no tangles in my hair. So just brushing my hair. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be using this spray bottle, and I'm just going to be spraying my hair just to make them a little damp because they were not damp. Wow, this feels so relaxing. I feel like stop making the video. After you feel that you have enough water on your hair, what are you needing to do is just take one section of your hair. So say suppose for my hair, I will just be taking this section. Like you see, my hair is pretty damp, not too wet, not too dry, just damp. I'm just going to take my middle finger and I'm just going to roll this hair in this finger. And I know, don't laugh, but just stay with me, talking about hair, and that's it. So yeah, and I'm going to take my bobby pin, okay, and I'm just going to clip it right here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take my finger out. I'm not going to leave it. I'm just going to hold the curl for maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then again spray some water to my hair. So I'm just going to now fast forward the process. I'm just going to spray the water on the curls. Now I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So I was curling one side of my hair, and I don't know, the camera just stopped recording. So basically, you just wanna just do the same thing on your other side, and then just keep your hair like this for say 40 minutes. Okay guys, so it's almost, I would say 70 minutes, 75 minutes to be precise. This is my first section, and just gonna open the curl. Ow! And you see how bouncy it looks. And this is the final result. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. For signing off, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button. Please get me to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.